Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to learn about the life of Donald Trump. This will be a simple and easy to understand biography. Perfect for practicing your English listening. Let's get started. Donald Trump was born on June 14, 1946 in Queens, a part of New York City. His full name is Donald John Trump. He was born into a big family. His father's name was Fred Trump, and he was a very successful businessman who built houses in New York. Donald's mother's name was Mary MacLeod Trump, and she was from Scotland. Donald Trump had 4 siblings. He was the 4th child in the family. His siblings were Mary Ann, Fred Jr., Elizabeth, and Robert. Donald Trump was raised in a wealthy family, but he was also taught to work hard. Donald Trump went to Kew Forest School when he was young. Later, he went to a military academy called New York Military Academy. He went there because his father thought it would teach him discipline and help him become a strong person. After that, Donald went to Fordham University in New York for 2 years. Then, he transferred to Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, which is a very famous business school. He graduated with a degree in economics in 1968. After finishing school, Donald Trump started working for his father's business, called the Trump Organization. He was given the job of running the business and building new things. Donald's father had already made a lot of money by building houses, so Donald took that money and expanded the business. In the 1970s, Donald Trump began working on his first big project. He helped develop the Comet or Hotel in New York, which was later renamed the Grand Hyatt Hotel. This project made Donald Trump very famous. He was now seen as a successful businessman. In the 1980s, Donald Trump started building more and more famous buildings. He built Trump Tower, a huge skyscraper in New York City. It became one of the most famous buildings in the world. Donald also bought a lot of casinos in Atlantic City, making a lot of money. At this time, Donald Trump was not only known for his business, but also for his style. He was on TV, and in magazines people saw him as a rich, powerful person. His famous line, "You're fired," from the TV show The Apprentice, made him even more famous. Donald Trump's life is not only about business. He has also had 3 marriages and many children. Let's talk about his family. Marriage 1. Ivana Trump. In 1977, Donald Trump married a woman named Ivana Zelníková. She was from Czechoslovakia, now the Czech Republic. Ivana was a model, and she helped Donald with his business. Together, they had 3 children. Donald Trump Jr., born in 1977, Ivanka Trump, born in 1981, Eric Trump, born in 1984. But after 15 years of marriage, Donald and Ivana got a divorce in 1992. They separated, but they still stayed close for the sake of their children. Marriage 2. Marla Maples. In 1993, Donald Trump married Marla Maples, an actress. They had 1 daughter together, named Tiffany Trump, born in 1993. Unfortunately, their marriage didn't last long. Donald and Marla divorced in 1999. Marriage 3. Melania Trump. In 2005, Donald Trump married Melania Naus, a model from Slovenia. Melania is Donald's 3rd wife. Together, they had 1 son, named Barron Trump, born in 2006. Barron is the youngest of Donald Trump's children. Donald Trump has 5 children. Donald Trump Jr. He works with his father in the Trump business. Ivanka Trump. She worked as an advisor to her father when he was president. She is married to Jared Kushner, and they have children. Eric Trump. He also works in the Trump business and is married with children. Tiffany Trump. She is Donald's daughter with Marla Maples and is studying law. Barron Trump. He is Donald's youngest child, and he is still in school.